everyone, welcome to LeetCodes, and today we will see LeetCode BiWeekly 94 contest question that says minimum n faults that can be captured, minimum enemy faults that can be captured. So here we are given a zero index integer array of faults that has three types of variables: -1, 0, and 1. So -1 represents there is no fault, 0 represents there is an enemy fault, and 1 represents our own fault, or the fault that is under our command. So now you decided to move from your fort to any other place where there is no fort and you will capture all the between enemy forts. So instead of going into this explanation, it is it is a little bit complex. So here the question says, let's say 1 means it's your fort, 0 means enemy fort, and -1 it's empty space, and you can only travel from your fort to enemy fort. So, and once you encounter the empty fort, you will stop. So indirectly the question says you need to find the distance between 1 and -1, or -1 and 1. So here let's say you can go from 1 to till -1. Once you encountered the empty fort, you can't move ahead. And similarly from here, if you start from here, you can come till here, but you cannot move ahead because you have encountered an empty fort. And further, you can only travel once, like either from here to here or here to here, not from both the sides. Further, you need to travel in such a way that you capture as many enemy fort possible. So you need to select the distance that is maximum between 1 and -1. So I hope you got the question. So here let me just clear this. So this is a bit simple question. Only the explanation of the question or the definition of this question is complex here. But what we would do is we would take two variables I and j. If we encountered if the ith variable will travel from here from the first to the end, and if it is not equal to 0, then we would check with the jth variable, and that way we would process. So I will write now I will start coding, so you can assume. So now I will start coding so that you can understand it better. Let me initialize the result variable to 0. I would take two integers, int I is 0 and j is 0. I will go from 0 to the end, I plus plus. Okay, and if forts of I is not equal to 0, then we would check if forts of I equal to minus of forts of j, means that two are difference. So that is the thing. The thing is you just have to find the difference between 1 and -1, or -1 and 1. So the same thing is done here. If this is the case, then we would simply update our result as maximum of result comma I minus j minus 1. -1 because we can't. We need to find the distance of between these two. Let's say 1 and -1. That distance is 2. So we are just removing 1 from this difference. And yeah, now we will simply return this result. Okay, one thing I forgot here is if force of I is not equal to 0, then we will update j to I. Some internal error. Okay, now it all the test cases passed. Now let me try to submit this. Okay, so this passed all the test cases. So it was a simple question with a tough explanation, but I hope you understood this. We just need to find the distance between 1 and -1, or -1 and 1. So we simply did that in a one pass, in a big O of n time complexity. So I hope you got it. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.